Hello, everyone. In this example, I want to show you how you can use Visual Basic to get a list of all the folders within a folder. The next example would be where you have subfolders in a folder. And again, you want to get a list of all the folders. If you want a list of all the files inside the folder, there is a separate VBA code for that you can find on my GitHub repository. This is the template that has been created. As you can see in the cell M2, you have to place the path of the folder. And there are two buttons that have been created. One is for the folder, the other is for the subfolders. So if I select folder, notice that I've already written the path here. One click, and you get a list of all the folders within that folder, like this. Let me try a different folder. So I'm going to go to this one. We will copy the path, Control C, and then come back, Control V, click on folder. And as you can see, you get a list of all the folders and the path as well. For these subfolders, we go to subfolder. And this time, you don't have to select the path, but there is a dialog box launcher that opens up. And from here, you can select the folder that you want. So I'm going to select this one, and we click on OK. And as you can see, the folder has a lot of different files in it. So you can see we have 275 different subfolders in it. So there is a new workbook that has been created. And in this workbook, you can see the path in A1, and then you can see the path and the directory here. If you go forward, you can also see the name, the date created, and the date last modified, like this. So we have the path in column A and column B. We have the name in column C, date created and date modified in D and E. In the VBA code, we don't really have to make a lot of changes, but then I'll just highlight the line of code that you might need to modify. In the folder from folder, you can see that we are picking the folder path from the cell M2. And if you want your results to come in a column other than column 1 and column 2, you can change that here. So you can see that we're getting the name in column 1 and we're getting the path in column 2. In the folder and the subfolder, I don't think there is anything that you will need to change here. I mean, in case you're interested and you would like to tweak it, you can. The complete code is available to you.